right, guys, we're up here at Overland Expo West 2025. We've got 4 6th-gen 4Runners on display here for you to see. We'd love for you to take a look at them. Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we're up here at Overland Expo West, and we're here in Findlay Toyota's booth. Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. We're over here at Expo West up here in Flagstaff, Arizona, and we are here with TRD John's 4Runner here. John had this configured in a different configuration prior to coming to our shop. We had some other parts from other companies on it. Now we put some of our parts on it. We're getting ready to do a video on this new 6th-gen TRD Pro 4Runner, and you can hear him. He wants to talk to all the dogs that are up here as well. We're over here at the Toyo booth, and we've got another great build over here with one of our 4Runner 6th-gens.